Yeah, so I think we found the issue. That was the main load that was on our web server last time. I'm interested to see if I use this, I keep on using this, is it going to lock up again? So, and until it locks up, let's go ahead and we'll do a git pull locally. And we'll just use the console over here. We need to exit out of my web server. So let's see, where are we going to put this? Is it going to take up a lot of space? Is it not going to take up a lot of space? I'm not sure. I think I'll go to /media, Jamie, and we'll go to expansion, go to 1 terabyte drive, and we're going to go onto another hard drive over here, so just in case. The Solon site is here, and I have scripts that can move it and deploy it to this web server that we're working on. That's the static site and the Flask API that's used for the email server. So when you submit that button, it will send me an email with your message. Let's go ahead and we'll make a directory. Or actually, we don't need to do that, do we? It'll make a directory for us. So we just need to do the git pull. And to do that, let's go to GitHub again. So we'll pull that just in case it starts to lock up. And we'll also, we need to continue using the Visual Studio Code directly connected to the web server to see if it locks up again. I want to push it hard. Dashboard Streamlit. Oh, here we go. We go to cold. Yeah, I guess we'll use the this one right here. Copy that. And all we need to do is we just need to do the git clone. Oh, git clone. Do we want to clone it or do we want to pull it? I think we clone it, right? We clone it. Okay, so it does that, and then we go into dashboard Streamlit, and then we have our application on here too. And then we'll also, let's go ahead and just do the Python 3. We have 3.12 on here. That would be cool. Which one are we using? 3.8. We'll use the same 3.8. Okay, so we'll do that, and then /m for module, and then virtual environment. There we go. Oh, I'll just name it the same thing. Wait a sec. Okay. I don't know. That's weird. Here, let's just do 3.12. Oh, okay. I don't know. Oh, it's already there. I don't know what is that supposed to mean? Function not implemented. Lib. We'll just search for that. Well, let's just see what happens. We'll source bin. Oh, seems like it's not working. Okay. Sudo remove /r recursive and bin. There, I want to get rid of the whole folder. Okay. Let's see what this is. Okay, that's what I thought. Okay, that makes sense. Let's look at a few things. Let's look at df/h, and there's a lot of loops here. This one right here. Let's do a sudo block ID. This will tell us a little bit more information. It even tells us the unique UID for each partition. My hard drive that I have outside the system, is it VFAT? SDB2 expansion exFAT. Okay, so that's why it's not working. So we're trying to use like a Python library that's for Linux on a Microsoft file system. So okay, so what we need to do is we'll have to go back to our home, and I'll just get this running. I'll just go to documents, see if there's anything we could put it in. It's so disorganized. Yeah, we'll just do the git clone right here. Alright, we'll do it like that, and then we'll go inside. What is it called again? Dashboard, okay. Alright, now we'll do a Python 3/m env, and then it'll work. Alright, cool. And then we'll source into there. Bin activate, and then we need to do a pip install Streamlit, and it'll do this, and then we'll just do the should be able to you just do the Streamlit / app run, whatever it was. Let's refresh our memory. Let's look at our job, our daemon that we have, an etc system d system solin dashboard. It's going to be run app.py. I'm just going to copy this. Okay. Alright, then it's running locally. So now we have options now. We can look at it locally. Oh yeah, I forgot to install that, but I think I might actually take that out. I'll take that out. Sudo vim. Now I'm using Vim on my local system, and I'm using Visual Studios on the remote system. So backwards. I'm going to take this out. Run it again. Refresh. Here's the login page. Now, the next part we need to do is we need to kill that. Do this again. I'm going to get rid of all this. Okay, so I read more of the documentation of Streamlit, and when we use Streamlit, Python package here, okay, so it's doing a session state logged in. It says st title, st write, stuff like this. This st title is making a React component that is wrapped in Python code, and it's also a component that is talking to the server and talking to the client both ways using WebSockets. I'm still studying that more in detail. So what we need to do is we need to load that config.yaml that has the encrypted password. We need to import bcrypt. We need to check that password when the user puts it in. So when they type it in to this, I guess when they click this st button login, when they click this, if username equals username inside, if the username is inside of the config.yaml, and if password, we're going to have to make a function to check this, and it has to be on the server, not on the client. So I believe most of the code that you write here is going to be on the server, and then things that I guess like right here. Let me see the magic here. This if it matches, if you put the right username and password in, it does st session state logged in equals true. And so then that will make that client that has this logged in, and there you go. It's seems very, very simple to implement. I just don't know how secure it is. I think it's secure enough though. Let's give it a try. Import. Oh, for yeah, we're in Vim now. Import bcrypt. Bcrypt. Okay. And then let's see. Let me just take a look at that tutorial again. And I closed it. I need to load the conf.yaml. Here. I wanna be smart. Here we go. Okay. Import YAML from YAML loader, import safe loader. Okay, we'll copy that, and I'll put this up here. Shift Control V, and then we'll load the secure YAML. Alt tab with open config YAML as file, config YAML load file loader, safe loader. Okay, let's do this. We'll do that to get it. Again, I made the same mistake. Okay, config equals YAML load. Now I'm going to I want to print this config just to see what's in it. Oh yeah, that's right. Okay. Let's see what happens. Oh, we gotta install bcrypt? It was installed the last time. I have a theory that maybe Streamlit Authenticator actually is built on top of bcrypt. Maybe that's why we didn't have to install it. Okay, so let's install it. Pip install bcrypt. Okay, so we got that. Oh, no module name YAML. Yeah, okay. Let's do YAML. Oh no. I hate when this happens. This is kind of like the loading the environment file, the ./env. Okay. No module name YAML. Well, let me go inside. No, come on. Go inside again. Sudo vim app.py. Import YAML from YAML loader. Okay. Import YAML. YAML. Wait, why is it not inside of the in here? Doesn't it tell us like what to install? Okay, it tells us to install this. Well, okay, let's install it so we have that. And then yeah, we'll just do that because then it should have all that stuff with it. So we know that Streamlit Authenticator uses bcrypt. Okay. Now we run it again. And then we see it. Reload. Okay. And what I want to also look at is this right here. So print will actually print to your server. And it looks like we have, looks like a dictionary to me. So, okay. So credentials and usernames. So next thing we'll do, we'll close that out. Let's do this. Get rid of this, get rid of that, get rid of this, get rid of this. If username okay. If username is in, yeah, I kind of forgot, is in config dot user. Wait a sec. I need to. Come on. I need to see what it. I just need to see usernames, credentials, usernames, jlynn, name, password. Okay, jlynn, usernames. Okay. Usernames. I probably misspelled that word. Credentials dot usernames. Okay, so we'll do that much. Then we will do another if. This isn't going to look pretty. But we're just going to get this to work. If oof. Username. Okay, so I think I'm doing that right. Username. So the username actually comes. It is set by the input from the user. So this should be a variable that's dynamic, depending on their input, what they put in, and everything. Okay, so we got that. Dot password equals. Okay, so now we need that b crypt check password. Wait a second. I'm just okay. I think I know what I'm. Okay. I see. Okay, I messed up a little bit. Okay, this is supposed to go in here, and then the actual. Wait a sec. I don't know what I'm doing. Okay, we need to check the user's password. Okay, there we go. Alright, this might not work. Let's see. And then also we don't need to check anything. It's equal to anything, really. We just need to do this. Then it will be like this. Else, we got an if else inside of an if else. It's just gonna be like this st error, and it's gonna be invalid password. So that way you kind of know, like, is my username wrong or is my password wrong? So wait, let's see what happens. I feel like something's not gonna work for some reason because I know I did something wrong. Okay, I knew I did something wrong. If username is in config credentials, maybe it's just in. I keep on opening this up. We don't want to open that up yet. I think it's just in. Yeah. Okay, so up in here, logged in, not in SD session state. Okay. Got it. So we'll just do X to delete those. Escape, :WQ. Run it again. And remember, my password is ABC. My username is jlynn ABC. Oh, okay. You know, this is actually always kind of anytime I try to use dot notation in Linux or in Python, like it just never works. Okay, so we'll just do it like this. I think that's okay. And it's like doing it like this has always worked. So you know, I kind of just been like, well, I just won't use dot notation. If you know why my dot notation doesn't work, oh, there's some more I need to change. Let me know in the comments, because I should probably know this stuff. This is very basic fundamentals. But I learned all this stuff the dirty way anyway, so... See if we didn't make a mistake, see what happens. We'll have to use it and find out. See. Argument password string object can't be converted to pipe. Oh, okay, wait a sec. Can't be converted to pipes. Let's see, which one? If bcrypt check password. Oh, okay. Okay, I see. I think, I hope I'm doing this in the right order. I need to do this, so... Oh, I forgot I'm in Vim. Okay, oh, wait a sec. So it's got to be like one of these, right? Something tells me I'm doing this out of order. Let me just check to make sure that's the case, because this should already be in bytes, a byte string. I'm going to test and see, instead of looking up online for the right answer. See what happens. Okay. Argument password string object can't be converted to bytes. Okay, so let's just look at that. What I looked at that one day. It was history. It was how to hash a password in Python. Oh gosh. Entered password. Okay, so that's right. Oh, okay, I see. So that should be a B. Okay. Got it. And I did do it right. It was in the right order. So let's do this. Do I need to convert that into a bytes, or could I do that up here? Text input. Let's see. That's a good question. That's a good question. pythons. Okay, here we go. We can use encode, convert a string to bytes. It takes a string into a sequence of bytes using a specific encoding format, UTF-8. Go here is to convert a string into bytes. Binary data, we're encoding strings for storage or transmission. Yeah, I guess we could try that and see what happens. But how do we know if our bcrypt thing is in UTF-8? I don't know. I don't know if it is or not. Okay, we'll give that a try, and we will do it right here. Run it again. jlynn ABC. String object can't be converted to bytes. Yeah, there's still something going on. Bytes. So let's do some investigative work. We need to find out if let's see, I need to look at one more thing. Python type of function? I think it's the type of function. Type. Okay, let's try that. Print type. And then we will do this inside of there. We'll also do like an F string as well. Put that in there. Okay, so user entered password, and then we will do another one. Oh. Okay. Hashed password. I have a feeling that it's because of the YAML import thing. It imported as a string or something. It probably is, most likely. But I just want to know, like, is that what it is? This is like having a wideband installed in your exhaust to know exactly what your foil and air ratio is, air to foil ratio is. Which I need to do that. Let's copy this. And we'll have to, oh no. Oh, I see. Oh, we're running into so many issues. So many issues. Yeah, well that's just caused even more issues. There is a thing that's not closed. Got that one, got that one. This is the issue right here. Need an extra one. Okay. Okay. So if we run that again, then it will go through that if statement thing and print those things out for us. Probably should have done that outside of the if statement. Okay, so it has that. Let's see if it printed our thing first. I mean, it says it's yeah, okay. Password. Hash password is a class of a string. Oh, really? Okay, that's what's wrong. I see. I see what it did. It is a string. Okay, so whoa, wait. Don't close it. Okay. That's what I kind of was expecting right there. So we need to do, but now we have to get rid of that B. Let's just see what happens. Let's see what happens in code. UTF/8. This is not the correct way to do it. Now it's invalid sound syntax. Oh, we're right. Okay. Yeah. Another thing missing because that's supposed to be inside of a if the check bcrypt dot check password thing. Okay. Invalid salt. Yeah, this one thing after another. Oh, we're getting really close. Yeah, what do we do with the salt up there? Use password verify function. Okay. But this is PHP. We're doing Python. Okay. Well, let's just do some more Let's do something else here. Let me try something. So in this right here, we'll do kind of like this. Print another f string hashed password, and we'll put this in here. And then we'll also do the encode. Could I escape that? Let's see if I can escape. Okay, let's try that. Whoa. Okay. Yeah, it's gonna be really messy right now. Yeah, let me just do this. Probably something still missing here. Oh, I see. There we go. Okay. Okay, let's see here. Oh, okay, I see. So I think this is what was happening right here. Yeah. So the issue is that we need to make this get out of there. How do we get that out of there? Let's see what Copilot would do for this solution. String starts with B, which is Python's way of showing a byte literal. Using eval safely here. String is Python code and return the actual bytes object. Okay, we could also strip it too. So this is a okay. 2, 0, 1, 2, and then it goes all the way to -1. Okay. Let's try this. Seems safer. And we will do it like this. We'll also go ahead and do it over here as well. See what happens. Where's our application? Okay, there it is. So jlynn ABC login successful. So that's why this salt was wrong, was it was getting that B and the quotation marks with it. Okay. Yeah, so we did that. Let's kind of look at it a little bit. Let's see if we can look at it using Visual Studio Code. If it will let us Remote Explorer. Oh, we're okay. We're connected. Okay. Let me just open up another Visual Studio Code. Two of them running right now, and we'll open a folder. I think I put it in Documents, Dashboard, Streamlit. Okay. I trust the authors. We should have done this way before. Okay, so we import Streamlit as st. We import bcrypt. Import YAML from YAML loader. Import safe loader. Main app, else login. Did it do that? It didn't do that, actually. It didn't load that view. It didn't go away. Oh, okay. Okay. Okay, let me try again here. ABC. Login successful, but I had to press it again. That's weird. Okay. Let's work on that. Is there any way to make login disappear after we log in? Login just goes away. Okay. I have another quick question for you, Copilot, before we leave. So, how to hide login when st session state logged in is true. But it still shows it. Like, we have to click on it 2 times. But yeah, we need to, we have to click the login button twice after, okay. Yeah. The classic double click login issue. But the UI doesn't immediately re-render with the new state until the next interaction. I see. Okay. Force rerun to update UI. ST experimental rerun. I'll give it a try. I'll give it a try. See, like it would take me forever to find that. It would take me so long to find that. That's why I gotta use that. That's crap. Okay, we saved it. Is it running? Okay, it's running. Oh gosh. Okay. I guess it doesn't persist when you hit the reload. Oh no! It doesn't have it. Experimental rerun. No, it doesn't have it. Maybe because okay, so that doesn't have it. No experimental rerun. Found. Is this a setting in the what is that? The is this a setting? Yeah, is it a setting? Your right to ask. Older version of Streamlit, but it's now updated. Oh, and recent releases. Okay, it is not experimental anymore. Okay, we saved it. Alright, let's see what happens. jlynn abc. Okay, that's better. So it reruns it, but then this one's still. Oh, you know why? I need to get rid of it right here. Alright, get rid of that. Save. Okay, this is gonna be the last time I run it. Boom. Okay, so we did it. We finally did it. Maybe, man, how long is the video? Whoa, 1 hour and 15 minutes. Oh gosh. Wow, that's crazy. Okay, so I have to split this video up. So maybe I'll split it up just to show like little parts of it and stuff. And then, okay, before we leave, let's go inside of our web server one right here. And, oh wait, okay, first we need to close this. We need to do a git add all git status. Okay, and then git commit /m added login page feature. Is it gonna let me? I need to get remote /v. Okay. Git push /main origin. Wait a sec. Okay. VB2494. I need to open up another terminal and get my thing from here. I actually need to bring it over here. Okay. Cat .github. Is it the one on the top or the bottom? I think it's the one on the bottom. I'm not sure. Okay, I did it. Okay, we did it. We pushed it out there. Now I want to pull it up here in the server. Get pull. No conflicts. Okay, that's good. Okay, so now we pushed it out onto the server and we're going to look at it. Solon.com dashboard. Here we are. Do jlynn ABC. Oh, invalid credentials? No way. What? What do you mean? ABC is what? No. No way. Oh, I don't have it running here anymore. Okay, let me see something right quick. I thought, what happened? What happened? That's crazy. You know, I actually didn't think about doing this, but I could just delete these actually. Yeah. Okay. It doesn't work. I wonder why it's not working. Let's do the journal control/f/u Solon dashboard just to see what it's doing. Okay. Says it's not right. So if I were to take this and I copy it and I go into my other one that's local and I do control F and I paste that in there, it finds it right there. Let me try something. Let me try something right quick. We're gonna do sudo system control restart the Solon dashboard service. ABC. Okay, it works. No issue. We just need to restart it. Okay, so that's it. We have it live, and if you want to log into it, you can use jlynn as the username and ABC as the password, and play around with it. See if you can hack it and destroy it and stuff if you want. And let me know what you guys find out. That's it. I'm definitely gonna have to split this video up in a few pieces. And made some progress today. Made some real progress. We also have some. We've been putting some stuff on Github right here. That's good. That's it for this video. Thank you, and